8 clients. That's all Lauren Hayes could handle as a life coach in early 2024. 8 one-on-one clients at $300 per month each. Total monthly revenue, $2,400. The demand was there. She had a wait list of 23 people. But between creating personalized coaching plans, preparing for sessions, sending follow-up resources, and managing everything manually, 8 was her breaking point. Then she discovered an AI system that changed everything. By November 2024, she was serving 42 active clients with a completely different business model. Monthly revenue, $16,800. Same one-person business. Better client results, no burnout. This is how she did it. Coaching and consulting have a brutal scaling problem. Your expertise is valuable, but it's locked inside your time. 1 hour of coaching equals 1 hour of your life you can never get back. The typical life coach charges $200, $500 per month for weekly sessions. That's 4 to 5 hours per client monthly when you include the coaching sessions themselves, 4 hours. Prep and review, 2 hours. Personalized resources and homework, 2 hours. Progress tracking and check-ins, 1 hour. Administrative tasks, 1 hour. At 10 hours per client, you max out at 10 to 12 clients working full-time. Want to serve more people? You're stuck with 3 bad options. Hire coaches, quality control nightmare, reduced margins. Switch to group coaching, less personalization, lower prices. Burnout trying to do everything yourself. Lauren Hayes was trapped in this exact dilemma in January 2024. She was a certified life coach, specializing in career transitions for professionals in their 30s and 40s. Her coaching was effective. Her clients got real results. But she hit her capacity limit at 8 clients and couldn't grow. Her income was capped at $2,400 per month, which wasn't sustainable. She needed at least $5,000 monthly to make coaching a viable full-time career. But taking on more one-on-one clients would mean working 60 to 70 hours per week. That defeats the entire purpose of building a coaching business for freedom and flexibility. Then in February 2024, she started rebuilding her entire coaching model using AI. The transformation was remarkable. 1. The content creation breakthrough. Lauren's biggest time sink was creating personalized coaching materials for each client. Every client needed customized worksheets and exercises, relevant articles and resources, weekly reflection prompts, goal tracking templates, personalized action plans. Creating these materials from scratch for each client took approximately 8 hours per client per month. With 8 clients, that's 64 hours per month just creating materials. That's insane. In February 2024, Lauren started using ChatGPT Plus and Notion AI to transform her content creation process. The new system. She identified that while every client's journey was unique, the frameworks were repeatable. Career transition coaching always involved self-assessment and values clarification, skills inventory and market research, resume and LinkedIn optimization, networking strategies, interview preparation, negotiation tactics. She used ChatGPT to create a library of templates and resources for each framework that could be personalized with AI. ChatGPT would generate a comprehensive worksheet in 30 seconds. Lauren would review, add her coaching insights, adjust for the specific client's situation, and save it. Time to create personalized worksheet. 90 minutes down to 12 minutes. She built this library in Notion with AI-powered organization, 37 customizable worksheet templates, 80+ resource articles organized by topic, 15 different goal tracking frameworks, 50+ reflection prompts categorized by coaching phase. When a new client onboarded, Notion AI would analyze their intake questionnaire, suggest relevant templates and resources, create a personalized 12-week coaching roadmap, flag areas needing customization. What used to take Lauren 8 hours of content creation per client now took 45 minutes of reviewing AI suggestions and personalizing key details. That's a 90% time reduction. 2. The session preparation transformation. Lauren's second major bottleneck was session preparation. Before each coaching call, she needed to review previous session notes, check clients' progress on assignments, identify patterns and breakthroughs, prepare discussion topics and questions, plan exercises for the session. This preparation took 30 to 45 minutes per session. With 8 clients having weekly sessions, 32 sessions monthly. That's 16 to 24 hours per month just preparing. In March 2024, she implemented an AI-powered session prep system using ChatGPT and Notion. How it worked. After each coaching session, Lauren would spend 3 to 5 minutes recording voice notes into her phone using a simple recording app. She'd then upload this audio to Descript, which would transcribe it automatically with AI, clean up filler words and mistakes, export as text. She'd paste the transcript into Notion, where her AI system would extract key insights and action items, add them to the client's progress tracking, flag incomplete homework or stuck areas, generate suggested discussion topics for next session, create personalized reflection questions based on patterns. Before the next session, she'd ask ChatGPT, based on these session notes, what are the 3 most important things to focus on on in our next coaching call. What questions should I ask to move Jennifer forward on her networking anxiety? ChatGPT would analyze the context and generate thoughtful coaching questions and session structure. New session prep time, 5 to 8 minutes instead of 30 to 45 minutes. That's an 82% time reduction, saving her approximately 12 hours per month. But the quality actually improved. The AI helped identify patterns Lauren might have missed and suggested probing questions that led to deeper breakthroughs. 3. The business model shift. By April 2024, Lauren had reclaimed significant time, but she realized something crucial. She was still trading time for money, just more efficiently. To truly scale beyond 12 to 15 clients, she needed to change the model entirely. She created a hybrid coaching system that combined AI-powered self-paced learning, group coaching calls, limited one-on-one sessions, on-demand AI coaching support. Here's how it worked. Tier 1, AI-enhanced self-study, $97 per month. Clients got access to her complete coaching framework as a self-paced course, weekly email check-ins with personalized insights, monthly group Q and a call. She used Kajabi's AI features to build this offering. The platform's AI would recommend content based on client progress, generate personalized coaching prompts, send automated check-ins with relevant resources. Time investment per client, 15 minutes monthly, mostly reviewing dashboard and participating in group call. Tier 2, group coaching, $297 per month. Everything in Tier 1 plus 2 90-minute group coaching calls per month, max 12 people per group, hot seat coaching during calls, more personalized AI coaching paths. Time investment per client, 25 minutes monthly. Tier 3, VIP one-on-one $897 per month. Everything in previous tiers plus 2 private 45-minute coaching sessions monthly, direct text access for quick questions, personalized roadmap and materials. Time investment per client, 2.5 hours monthly. The genius of this system, Lauren could serve far more people while spending less time per client on average than her old one-on-one model. May 2024 client breakdown. Tier 1 to 25 clients x $97 equals $2,425, 6 hours monthly total. Tier 2 to 12 clients x $297 equals $3,564, 5 hours monthly total. Tier 3 to 5 clients x $897 equals $4,485, 12.5 hours monthly total. Total, 42 clients generating $10,474 monthly revenue. Total time, 23.5 hours monthly. Compare this to her old model. 8 clients x $300 equals $2,400 monthly. Time required, 80 hours monthly. She was making 4.4 times more money while working less than 1/3 the hours. 4. The AI Coaching Assistant. The most innovative part of Lauren's system was the AI Coaching Assistant she built for Tier 1 and Tier 2 clients. She used ChatGPT's custom GPT feature to create a coaching bot trained specifically on her methodology, frameworks, and coaching style. In 30 seconds, ChatGPT would generate all 5 content pieces. She used Canva AI to create quote graphics by simply typing. Total time for 1 week's multi-platform content. Record video, 20 minutes, including setup. Processed in Descript, 5 minutes. Generate written content with ChatGPT, 5 minutes. Create graphics in Canva, 10 minutes. Schedule everything, 10 minutes. Total, 50 minutes for complete week of content. Her social media following exploded. Instagram, 2,400 to 18,600 followers in 6 months. LinkedIn, 890 to 12,300 connections. Email list, 420 to 4,800 subscribers. More visibility meant more discovery calls, which meant more clients at all 3 tiers. 6. The results and toolkit. Lauren's complete transformation. January 2024, before AI. Clients, 8. Revenue, $2,400 per month. Hours worked, 80 hours per month. Waitlist, 23 people she couldn't serve. November 2024 with AI. Clients, 42 across 3 tiers. Revenue, $16,800 per month. Hours worked, 40 hours per month. Waitlist, new clients joining monthly. That's a 600% revenue increase while working half the hours. Her AI Toolkit. ChatGPT Plus, $20 per month. Used for content creation, session planning, coaching questions, marketing copy. Notion AI, $10 per month. Used for client management, resource library, session notes, progress tracking. Descript, $24 per month. Used for video editing, transcription, content repurposing. Canva Pro, $13 per month. Used for graphics, worksheets, marketing materials. Kajabi, $149 per month, includes AI features. Used for course hosting, client portal, payment processing, email automation. Total, $216 per month. Additional revenue versus baseline, $14,400 per month. ROI, 6,667%. Lauren Hayes went from 8 clients to 42 clients while working fewer hours and providing better results. She didn't do it by hiring a team or working herself to exhaustion. She did it by using AI to eliminate repetitive tasks and building a business model that didn't require trading every hour for dollars. Content creation, session prep, client support, marketing. AI handled the time-consuming parts so Lauren could focus on actual coaching and transformation. If you're a coach, consultant, or knowledge worker feeling stuck at your capacity ceiling, the answer isn't working more hours. It's building systems that let you serve more people better. Next video, how a podcast producer went from 3 clients to 18 clients using AI for editing, show notes, and content repurposing. The production time dropped by 75%.